Alright, YouTube viewers, here we have this Atlas. Actually, what is this one? This one's the Atlas Diane. New unbox once again. In the brushed steel with aluminum blade and wood accents on the pivot. The remote wire is just sitting out there just for ease. Is the remote controlled fan. So starting off, this is low speed. Low speed shows a good amount of air out. Now you might be wondering, it's kind of odd, why does it look like this? Well, you hit this button on the bottom, it says accessory. And what the thing does is it will pivot back and forth. Isn't that just fancy? So, let's go ahead and turn the accessory back off. And you can stop it, you can push the button and stop it anywhere you want. So that's low. Let's go ahead and do medium. You can tell this thing puts out a bunch of air for a small fan. And also let's go ahead and do high. Very powerful little fan. And this will probably end up either being sold locally or on eBay. Let's go ahead and do off. Pretty fast spin down. And then I want to show you can do the accessory button and you can position it somewhere before you turn it on. So let's say you want it to be facing straight down. There you go. And you turn it back on to high. There you go.